Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a special guest that is going to be joining really soon, and my hand is stuck in the ground, both of my hands. Oh, there he is. He's right there. My hand!
Oh, yo, what's up, bro?
Yo, what's up? Help me! My hand is stuck.
There you go.
My
You
hand's stuck. My hand is stuck. Ah!
How will I save you? I can't.
Oh, got it. Oh my god,
you.
my hand got stuck again. My hand got stuck again. Oh, yay.
Wait, should I buy the backpack with the flashlight for both of us?
Bro, look at this. Ready? Wait, go over go. Wow.
Go.
Yeah, bro.
We got so much money.
See? You can save stuff.
Oh, we got so much money.
I know. I got much. Alright, I'll buy the flashlight backpack.
Yo, Bo. Now let me just. Wait, I don't have one.
It's over here.
I'm by my cell phone.
It's right here,
I
bro.
got my cell phone.
It's over here, bro.
What?
Bro,
Oh,
it
I
was
bought
right
one for no reason.
Okay,
Isn't an extra one if we die?
yeah.
Oh no, but we need to buy a camera. We need to buy a camera.
Got camera.
We need to buy a camera.
Alright, let's go. Let's
Okay.
go to haunted house.
No,
Let's go to
wait.
haunted house.
No. Let me show you the easiest way to get money real quick. To get some quick money from the
Haunted
camera.
house?
No. It's
Bro,
actually really easy.
I have a big yacht, bro. I have a big yacht. Look at it.
I know.
A big yacht. Bro, I'm gonna take a picture
My
of the
hand
yacht,
almost got
bro.
stuck.
I'm gonna take a picture of the yacht.
Okay. Let me get a picture.
Look at that yacht, bro.
Yeah.
So this is where haunted house is. This is where the chicken is. Oh,
Yep.
I fell. Okay.
I almost fell.
I don't know if my mic works in the recordings, but okay. Oh!
Oh!
Okay. Oh no! I'll save you. I'll get your backpack. Don't try to lie or look at her.
Why was she even there? Isn't she supposed to be?
Bruh. Big banana. But where's the chicken at? Are you coming?
Yo, I'm coming back with a grenade. I'm gonna kill the chicken real quick.
Good, bro. There's a giant banana.
Why is there a giant banana over there?
The giant banana costs a little bit more.
Wait, how much does it?
Somewhere in the 200s, I think.
That's pretty good money just for a giant banana.
Bro, I took a picture of a yacht, and this is what happening to me.
Yo, my camera's still here, and it still has the monster.
I know.
Okay, we're gonna keep that there for now.
Oh,
Alright, pull the thing for this.
I got it. Where's the picture at? Boom!
You're cooked.
Daddy! Oh! Give me the egg.
Oh! No, give me here. I I killed him.
All right, fine. Here you go. Here you go. Give me camera. All right, grab it, everything. Grab it, everything. I'm gonna take the giant banana.
Oh, banana. It isn't giant, but it's a banana.
Give me Coca-Cola.
Cola.
Get it first.
Who's zesty?
All right, let's sell this.
Okay, and plus the camera.
Plus the camera. Yeah.
Oh, I almost accidentally took another picture.
Guess what? I took a picture of the ghost, and guess how much it gave me?
How much?
It only gave me 150.
Oh no! And it's hard to take a picture of it.
And but it only gives you 150.
Wait, did it say P503?
Yeah.
Don't step on. I am stuck on a lemon. Oh! Wait, let me try to. Kobe.
Oh, I made it.
Wait, let me get mine. Let me get mine in there.
Okay. This is what you get! This is what you get! Oh, God! God!
You are zesty!
Wait, should we go to zero gravity?
Wait,
I know the way.
I don't like that place.
I know. Well, they made it easier. They made it easier to go.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, follow me. I know where to go.
Yo, how do I use these things? Oh no, I'm cooked.
Where are you? Wait, you're standing right here. You're floating in the air right here.
You're floating.
No,
in the
you're
air.
floating. You're floating right here.
Yeah, but you're floating in the air.
No, you are.
Nah, but you are.
No, you are. Spank your gear. Oh, okay. Okay, oh, there we go.
Oh, there you go. There it goes.
Let's go. Do you have a grenade? I have a grenade.
No.
It's fine. You scared me. You scared me with those.
I need a flashlight.
Bruh. I'll buy you
Wait a minute, I need to get a flashlight real quick.
How about we all get the golden bat cases? Cause they're both
Okay, let's go.
$2,000 each.
I already have a bunch of money, so right now
How much do you have? How much do you have?
4,248. So I
I
have
have
a pretty good amount.
5,000. I have 5,000.
I just have 5,000, but if I didn't spend my money, I've beat this level so many times.
This is easy, bro. This is really. Oh, watch out for that stupid thing. Okay.
Oh yeah, kill the green light red light monster.
No, it's worth it. It's a waste. It's easy. No! Did you die? Yeah, I know you did. You died. I'm gonna be waiting for you.
My game was lagging so bad.
I'm gonna be waiting for you. When are you gonna be here? Your stuff is still here. Are you here? Oh, you are. Watch out for the tentacle. Watch out for the tentacle. Oh, finally. Follow me. Follow my lead. Follow my lead.
Alright, now I only have like 3,000
Follow my lead.
bucks.
Run. Lucio, run. Bro, oh. Go fast, go fast, go fast. Over here. Bro. Oh, come here. Oh, frick. Go over here.
Where are we? Oh, this pop? I hate this pop.
I know. I sometimes always fall.
I fell. So I was playing with Theo and Bob. So
Oh, I got
fell.
quest complete. Quest complete. Let's go.
Oh, same. Jump around.
Okay. Another way on here. More parkour, Liam. This one's gonna be easy one.
Don't leave me.
Whee!
Oh. Oh, this one.
Bro, if we had hoverboards, we'll be beating this. Oh no, no! Oh, let's go.
Oh no.
No! Wow, Liam, you died. Imagine dying. Imagine dying. I'll be waiting for you at the end.
Area.
So just go straight and then go right.
Well, let's go to Haunted.
But you want me to die? Okay, fine. I'm dying. I'm dying right now. How did you die? You could have subscribed. Wow. Alright, I just respawned. Yo, Kiat!
No, get out.
Alright, make sure to buy like any of the backpacks that don't have and I'll buy your flashlight. Here you go. Your flashlight.
Oh.
Alright, follow me, yeah, you know.
Wait, let me get a camo real quick.
Just don't shine your flashlight at the fish, the giant fish.
Yeah, I know. You gotta like keep it away from him.
Bro, you know you have a mic right here. You can have like, yeah.
Oh no, it's a radio.
I know, over here.
It's a
Alright,
camera.
don't shine your light, don't shine your light, don't shine your light.
Wait, boom, got it. I don't know where this guy could be though.
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
Oh,
Okay, we need to be really careful with this guy.
I know.
I died to him like 60 times.
I know, but I can never get past him.
Oh, he's coming over here. So
Oh, nah.
as long as
Go.
you don't, if you don't like go super close to him and don't shine his. Wait a minute. He's only attracted to light, so that means. Go.
Oh. Wait.
Don't shine your flashlight. Don't. He's gonna track it. Stop. Don't shine your foot. Oh.
Wait.
What? Oh!
Nope.
Oh, look! Wait, he can get up here? Duh, he can! Alright, I'll see you next to Haunted House. Thank you for the life. LOL.
He can get all the way up there?
Well, not all the way. Yeah, I'll shine the flashlight for you.
Are you past it already?
Yeah, I'm at Haunted House right now.
Oh, snap.
Make sure, okay, buy a flashlight and shine it at him and drop the flashlight.
I got my stuff from that.
Where is he? Can you hurry up, Slowpoke?
He's camping me.
So? Do you have a flashlight? Yeah, I'll come over.
Yes, indeed I.
It's okay, let's go. Go as fast as you can. Alright, I'm gonna come over. Did you die? You did. Bro, why did you move? Why did you move?
When I accidentally jumped.
I saw you moving when you first jumped. Is your game lagging? Let's see. Tell me when you're like at Haunted House.
Okay. Will he get me if I just speed past him?
He'll scream when you're chasing you, but if you go on the platform that I am on and pitch climb on the tree and stay there, yeah, you're gonna be fine. Make sure to just zoom back past him, okay?
Can he heal me?
If you get really close to him, yeah. Okay, the fish is at red light, green light, so be careful. I'm gonna shine the light at him. He's coming towards me. he's on me, he's on me. He's on me.
I'm not haunted.
I saw you. See?
Yes!
Alright, let's go.
I don't have a flashlight. Though.
Just don't shine the flashlight at her and don't look at her.
I don't even have a flashlight.
Nothing.
No.
Okay. Big banana.
Oh, big banana. Yo.
No. Oh.
Got it?
Don't. No.
Oh.
Don't. No. That's zero gravity.
Oh. Oh no.
But.
Come on. Mark. Oh, nope.
Sorry, almost killed me. Nothing. Oh, she's right there.
Huh?
9 here.
Nope. I have to check this one. No. Adrian.
What?
Oh, there. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a llama. Nope.
Oh, she's right there. Don't look at her.
I don't even know.
Okay, no key.
I'm not even gonna look for her.
No key.
Yo, do not go in that one. Do not go in that one.
Okay, no key. Oh, there's the head. The head won't do anything to you. It's just to jump scare you.
Adrian? Oh, there.
What?
Spooky. Trying to keep track of you.
Key!
Key!
Oh, let's go. Look down, look down, look down.
Okay, we good?
Yeah, we're good. Ready, go. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's get to zero gravity. Alright, make sure to grab the corrupted crystals.
No, I hate zero gravity. That is the most annoying level.
Don't need this. Alright, ready?
Let's go!
Make sure to grab the corrupted crystals, which is the blue ones that looks like the black flash. Okay? I'll show you.
I know.
I'll show you.
I've been in this one before. I hated it. Oh.
See, like that. And just don't go for the risky ones, cause if you have like long arms, yeah, you can. Here's one.
Wait. Oh.
Okay. Make sure to not go in front. Don't go in front of the heart. No, drop it. There we go.
Oh.
That makes you upside down if you touch it.
I know.
Alright, I'm the host, so I can grab 10. Alright, let's come down here. Let's come down here. Come right here. This is safe. Right here is safe. Let's go down. And I think there should be more. Yep.
Yes.
Should be more. We go more down here.
Oh, there's two down here. Oh, are you collecting them?
Yeah.
Oh, I might as well too. No. There. Don't leave me now.
Alright, let's go down. let's go down. Wee.
Ah!
Wait, Liam, your backpack is
Oh, I
open.
can buy that!
Your backpack is open. Your backpack is open.
I know. Can I buy this?
How much do you have?
Sure. I have 3,452.
Oh, you can. Your backpack is open. Your backpack is open.
I know.
All right.
Wait.
I see you. What? It's right
Wait.
there. It's right behind you. It's right here.
Oh. What about my gun?
You're here.
Oh.
All right.
Should I buy 2 of them?
I
Oh,
can
no,
buy-
I can't. I can't.
I can't. Okay. Let's go over here.
Wait, let me.
Oh, wait.
Let me.
Wait. Okay, come here. Get your gun, bro. Get your gun.
Oh.
All right, come right here. Go on this platform with me. I know how, it shoots. Ready? Oh wait, no.
It's
no.
wrong one. Wrong one.
There we go. Let's go down.
Wait, did we beat it?
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so heavy.
Oh my god, let's go. I finally beat that.
You finally? Oh, that was your first time?
No, I
This is
tried
my-
to beat it before.
No, this is my 10th time.
Pow. Wait, do these cost something? Are these worth it?
Yeah. If you want to sell it?
No, is it good? Would it be good?
Yeah, it cancels the other weight from the heaviest weight. See, like this. See-
No, I'm
see,
talking about, is it worth a lot? Is it worth a lot?
let's see. Sell this one. Let's see.
Oh, got it.
Let's see.
Come on, please, please, please. Wait. Oh!
It's not that bad.
No, not now.
Alright, let's sell these. Sell this.
Oh, so my backpack.
You can just put the whole backpack in there to get extra money.
Oh, got it. You ready?
Let's see how much money you get.
Oh! We got so much money.
I know. But if you got a whole pack of the crystals and I get the whole pack of the crystals, we get like 10,000.
That would good. Wait.
Oh, bozo. Wait. Oh, wait. Liam, I found the best thing ever. I thought of the best thing ever. Alright. We're doing that glitch with the cameras.
What glitch?
The glitch with the cameras.
I've never done this before.
Oh, they're worth a lot if you get numbers on the monsters that you take. I'm on a cooldown right now.
Oh, I'm on a cooldown. Oh, wow.
Okay, if you take pictures of the monsters and it has numbers, they're worth a lot.
I know. That's what I've been doing a lot.
9, 8,
Oh, yeah.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Oh, perfect.
3,
That is.
2, 1.
I should put my gun in there. Come on, come on, come on. It's almost done. How much can you buy without the cooldown?
Is that it?
Oh, no shot. We're gonna be rich after this.
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, Liam, I'm gonna buy another backpack. I'm buying another backpack. One of the cameras dropped on.
Oh! Oh no. Wait, let me check, let me check. Wait. Oh, okay. Yep. I need a new backpack. Okay, this backpack full.
Oh, I think that's enough cameras. Give me your cameras that you bought. Alright,
Wait.
that's full. Alright, take this. Liam, I'm so heavy right
I'm
now.
on cooldown.
Here it is, here.
I'm on cooldown.
Alright, let's get your bags and close them, and let's get some monster pictures.
Okay.
Bro, can you see how heavy I am? Ugh, I can barely move. I cannot move at all. Bro, I'm built like queso right now.
But we should get like a bunch of pictures of the chicken. And
It has to say numbers on it, though.
Yeah, but that'll still be worth a lot.
Bro, look how heavy I am. Bro, I'm fat like queso. I cannot move.
I'm trying to move my best right now.
Bro, look. Just Lucy run, bro. Just Lucy run.
Wait. Oh my God. Wait. Oh wait. I'm actually quick.
Oh, the parkour part is hard.
I
This type
know.
of weight.
Wait, no. Take a backpack off. Put it over here. Adrian, put one of your backpacks over here.
Why?
The one that has less cameras. Put it over there.
The one has less cam. All my backpacks are full.
Oh, just put it over there. Just put the one that you're not using right now. Just, put the one.
Okay.
Okay.
Mine's
Got one
gonna
camera?
be right here. Oh, she's right there. There's a monster right there. Monster.
He's not doing anything.
Oh, monster right here. The ghost.
Where? No, I fell.
You fell?
I accidentally fell down, but I'm coming back with a not looking anymore.
I know, but the ghost is not working on the pictures, so yeah.
Is this really considered a glitch? I don't know.
It is a glitch.
Does it duplicate money?
I don't know.
Oh, did you find this out on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh,
And if it has numbers and it's worth more than the no numbers. Oh, watch out! Don't look.
I don't know what the ghost is.
What? Okay.
There you go.
No, it has to chase you.
Just gotta wait.
It has to chase you.
I know, Adrian. I've done this way too many
Oh my
times.
god, bro. Hurry up, monster.
I think I have to make him mad again.
And you have to. You have to make him chase you. You have to get close. A little bit more closer. Go a little bit more closer. A little bit more.
I'm scared.
A little bit more. Come on.
No, well, Adrian, you do it. You're the one who has the hazmat suit on. People, it's scary. It's scary doing this. Oh, I got way too close.
I got way too close. Okay, ready? If I die, it's okay, okay? Okay. Alright, get pictures, get pictures.
Look at me, witch. Oh my god, up close, buddy. There's one.
Oh, I got number 1. I got a number.
One thing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just stuff all. You can take it from up here. Boom. But we're gonna be rich, because this is basically like a farming village.
It is.
Because you can just, and each picture will give you like $200. Oh. Okay, I got all mine.
Okay.
Okay, I'm still putting them in.
I got all the 10 cameras on my back right now. Alright, if you're all 10, backpack is right here. Okay.
Oh no. Let me see if you can. Very good. How about this one?
Yes!
Oh yeah, I got more cameras. I forgot about my other one. There it is. Thank you, buddy. We're just gonna farm you for a second.
Alright, I got every camera got. No! Oh! Alright, I got every picture taken.
Okay, I just need 2 more, I think. Yeah, 2 more.
Okay.
Last one? Okay, I'm still packing them.
Alright.
Where's my other backpack? Oh, it's on my back.
Alright. Ready to get a lot of money? Oh! She's right there, look down. She's right there. Look down, look down. Okay, there you go.
Oh my god, I'm so heavy.
Bro, me too. We're built like queso right now. We're built like queso, bro. We're built like queso. Are we built like? Are we? But if we jump like twice, the ground's gonna like break. Look.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
Oh.
Oh, there you go. It's Lucio, bro, Lucio. Ah.
I can't do that. That will make.
At least it'll take a little bit off of the weight. Alright, I'm just gonna do that. Push my back too.
Oh.
You can just put the whole bag in there, so yeah. Oh.
I've got extra weight on that.
Alright, let's see how much money we get.
Let's go.
Let's see how much money we get.
Please be good. Please be good money.
Oh my gosh! Is that more? No, it's not more. It's still a lot. It's still a lot though.
We should keep grinding that. We should keep doing that strat.
Okay.
Buy 2 of these.
Alright, and keep buying cameras. What? took my. Oh, I'm on a cooldown.
Ah! You're so mean.
Yeah, I am.
Stupid.
Wait. Oh.
What? Bro, yeah.
Everything else is on cooldown. Wait,
Yeah.
I need to put my auto bag right here.
I'm almost done.
Just to be
I'm
wet.
almost done with my cooldown.
How much is it at?
I don't know. Guess what, Liam? Guess what I figured out? With the bag, that's how much money it's worth. The bag on your, like, bracelet to your speak to other people when you're, like, far away.
Yep.
Yeah, that's how much money it's worth. If
I
it's all
don't
the
know
way
how
up,
much money
if
it's
it's
worth.
all the way up, that means it's worth somewhere in the, like, thousands. 2,000, actually. Okay, this bag is full.
But we're gonna get even more money if I, oh no, I don't have enough money.
You don't have enough money?
No.
Cameras? Bro, I can't buy it anymore.
No.
Alright.
Come on, tell me I got some quests. No. What cooked?
Oh, I got 2 quests. Oh, it doesn't give us. Oh,
Wait, am I gonna be still?
we're cooked.
Oh no, I'm still queso.
I'm not queso, bro. I'm not queso. Look,
I'm queso.
bro, queso is famous in all games.
Oh.
Oh. You okay? You know what? Wait, Liam. Wait. Wait for me.
Queso, come on.
We're both queso.
Oh.
Haha. Haha. I'm not queso anymore. I'm not slow like you.
Oh no. Go,
You're a noob.
come here.
Oh, frick!
I ate 5 homeless people because I thought they were warm.
Oh, frick! She's right there. Oh!
She's not on my screen.
Well, she's on my screen.
Oh, you're cooked.
Okay, so put the bag in your hand right here, where it is usual, right here. And yeah.
Okay, mine is gonna be right here, the special one.
Okay. I'll get the chicken. Or do you want to get the chicken?
Both of us can.
Okay. Go, Lucio! Okay, take pictures, hurry up, take pictures. Take your time. Bro, I'm taking pictures more faster than you. Oh yes, because you don't have that much. Oh, she's right there. I have to look down. Right there.
Now this is my heavy one. I'm already queso from holding.
No, she's right. No. Now
Don't
we need to get the chicken angry again.
Is it back sitting on its nest? Come here, little chicken.
Go. Take pictures.
Give me, boy. You can go right here instead.
The numbers still show up.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, my phone is gonna go back inside real quick.
Yo, bro, I'm done. Oh! I'm done right now. I'm done, bro. I'm done.
Ow.
I'm done, bro. I'm done.
I'm not.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Bro, want me to
You're
help?
gonna muzzle load.
I'll help you.
Stop
I'll
putting
help you, bro. Alright, this bag is full. Hey, let's go.
Boom. Okay, queso, look at Wait, I'm not queso.
How you're not queso? I'm queso, bro. I'm queso.
Hey, Adrian.
What?
My sister wants to play volleyball with me. Is it okay if I hop off real quick?
How about you, hold on, when you, like, get to the money machine, drop your bags, okay?
Yeah, okay. Bella, after I do this thing to get this money. Wait, Adrian.
What?
Am I gonna be, my sister just said that she's going to, your house tomorrow. Am I gonna be able to go? Can I come?
Yeah, sure. If my mom is okay
Okay.
with that.
Okay. Let's hope, cause I'm.
Oh my God. Bring your VR, bro.
Okay.
I have really good Wi-Fi here.
Yeah, cause I was about to say I'm gonna ask if I can bring my VR.
I'm queso.
Go. Put him in.
Let's see how much money we get.
Come on. Please be a good
Oh!
Oh!
Wait, that's more!
It's
No, it's not more. Okay. Alright, see ya.
okay. Huh? What's something else that'll make us money? Oh yeah. I'm gonna hop off.
Alright, see ya, bro. Bye! Alright. Bye, guys.